Hey there, fellow real estate enthusiasts. It's your friendly neighborhood real estate sensei here, ready to drop some knowledge bombs on you. But before we dive into today's topic, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our future ninja-level real estate tips. All right, today's mission, should you choose to accept it, is all about purchasing REI properties for real estate investing. And for those of you wondering why I can't reveal my true identity, well, let's just say some big-shot industry folks might not appreciate me sharing these secrets with you. So, I'm your anonymous real estate guru, here to make you a real estate ninja. Now let's get down to business. You're ready to take the plunge into real estate investing, but where do you start? Fear not, my friends, for I've got the ultimate step-by-step guide to help you purchase your first REI property. Step 1. Do your homework. Think of this as your reconnaissance mission. Grab your magnifying glass and start researching. What's the market like? Where are the hot spots? What type of property suits your investment strategy? The more you know, the better your decision. Step 2. Budget like a ninja. It's time to crunch those numbers. Calculate your budget, including your down payment, renovation costs, and holding expenses. Remember, a ninja is always prepared, so leave no stone unturned in your budget planning. Step 3. Find the hidden gems. Here's where the real ninja skills come into play. Search for off-market properties, auctions, and foreclosures. These hidden gems often offer great deals for savvy investors, but be cautious and get professional advice if needed. Step 4. Build your team. Even a ninja needs allies. Assemble your crew, which might include real estate agents, inspectors, and contractors. These are the people who will help you navigate the real estate battlefield. Step 5. Make the offer. Once you've found the one, it's time to strike. Make your offer, negotiate like a pro, and be prepared to walk away if the terms don't align with your goals. Step 6. Due diligence. You're almost there, but don't let your guard down. Conduct thorough inspections and due diligence to uncover any hidden traps. It's all part of the ninja way to avoid surprises. Step 7. Secure your financing. Financing is the ninja's secret weapon. Explore different options, whether it's a mortgage, private lender, or creative financing. Choose the one that suits your mission best. Step 8. Close the deal. Congratulations, you've reached the final stage. Sign those papers, get the keys, and officially become a real estate investor ninja. And there you have it, fellow ninjas, your comprehensive guide to purchasing REI properties for real estate investing. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continuously sharpen your skills, network, and stay up to date with market trends. Real estate investing is an ongoing mission, and you're the hero of your own story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow ninja investors, and, most importantly, drop a comment below with your questions or suggestions for future topics. I'm here to help you on your real estate journey. Thanks for tuning in to Real Estate Investing Simplified. Remember, you don't need a cape to be a hero in the real estate world. Just some ninja knowledge and the real estate sensei as your guide. Until next time, stay ninja-fied.